Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you would like to donate to the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description. All donators will get a shout out on the start of new videos. It takes a lot of time to bring you this content, so let's dive in. Alright riders, before we get greasy, let's clear something up. If you're here for the exact bolt-by-bolt clutch removal on the Zontes 125 or 150, relax. That's already covered in the subtitled video process you're watching, so keep your eyes on those subtitles for the how-to. Don't forget that to drain the engine oil first, as your clutch is a wet clutch and runs in engine oil. My job here is to give you the bigger picture, why clutches wear out, how to spot it, and when it's time to swap those plates. Think of this audio as the witty commentary track to your garage movie. Your clutch is the referee between engine and gearbox. Without it, gear changes would sound like a metal band rehearsing in a blender. On the Zontes, the clutch plates are stacked like pancakes. Over time, those pancakes lose their fluff, and nobody wants limp pancakes. So when you twist the throttle and the bike hesitates, that's your clutch saying, "I'm past my prime, mate." You'll know it's time to change plates when the signs start stacking up. First, slipping. You're in gear, you accelerate, but the revs climb faster than the speedo. That's not turbo mode, that's clutch slip. Second, sticky engagement. If it feels like on or OFF with no smooth glide, your plates are glazed like donuts. Third, the smell. That faint whiff of burnt toast after a ride? That's friction material waving goodbye. And finally, hard shifting. When gears feel like an arm wrestling contest, worn plates are likely the villain. Now, why does this matter? Ignoring worn plates is like ignoring a toothache. Manageable, until it ruins your weekend. Fresh plates restore smooth power transfer, protect your gearbox, and bring back that crisp ride feel. Plus, nothing kills biker swagger faster than stalling at the lights because your clutch is sulking. Think of it as preventative maintenance with a big payoff. Smoother rides, fewer headaches, and more confidence every time you pull away. The subtitled video shows the nuts and bolts. Conceptually, think of it as peeling an onion. Cover off, basket out, plates swapped. Less tears, more oil. Each part plays a role in the orchestra of smooth gear changes. Swap the plates, and you're basically giving your bike a fresh set of dancing shoes. So while you watch the subtitles for the exact steps, remember the bigger story. You're restoring harmony between engine and gearbox. And here's the fun part. Clutches don't just fail overnight. They give you clues. If you're paying attention, you'll catch them before they leave you stranded. That's why seasoned riders talk about feel. You know your bike's rhythm, and when it changes, you notice. A slipping clutch feels like the bike is teasing you. Revs rise, but speed doesn't follow. A sticky clutch feels like it's either asleep or hyperactive, with no smooth middle ground. And that smell, once you've caught it, you'll never forget it. It's the perfume of friction gone wrong. So, when should you change clutch plates? When your bike starts acting like it's drunk, slipping, stumbling, and smelling funny. Don't wait until you're stranded Googling Zontes clutch roadside miracle. Be proactive. A happy clutch equals a happy rider. And if anyone asks why you're spending Saturday in the garage, tell them you're giving your bike a spa day. Because really, that's what this is. A mechanical massage, a reset, a way of saying thanks to the machine that carries you everywhere. That's today's clutch confessional. Like, subscribe, and keep your plates fresh, because life's too short for soggy pancakes. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists. I have slowed the video down so the procedure instructions can be read easily. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss new content. Take a look at my channel where you will find all the Zontes models, with either English, Spanish, Chinese, French and Arabic subtitled videos. Enjoy this video. Until next time. Madmick.
I'm coming for the throne.